Hi everybody, this is Sonia with Paper Pizzazz, and I was trying to figure out what to do today, but I remembered I had this journal that I started quite a while ago, so I got it out and I'm going to add to it. I want to work on this page here, and I want to do at least one flip out. So I had a half of an envelope, I cut it in half, and I thought I could hook it here and then flip it over like that. And this here could be a tuck spot. So I put some paper inside to decorate, and then this other side I put some brown paper packaging. So I'm gonna decorate this before I hook it on. I want to do a little collage. I like these flowers. I bought a really nice flower book at the Goodwill, and I had some wonderful images in there. Okay, that is that side. And when you flip it over, you will see this. Now this, I need to do something with this and cover up this rough edge. So I have a lot of stuff on my desk. I'm just using what I have here. Kind of the ugly part of this envelope. Here. So this will go like that, and then they'll flip like that. That will dry, hopefully. I think I'll put some postcards in there just to... Okay, so I finished this flip over here, and I'm going to make a flip over here. So I have a card. I made a hinge. So you cut about 2 inches of paper, some kind of paper, and then you fold it in half. You glue one side down, and then this side has to be glued here. Right there, so I'm able to close it and then flip it open. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is glue this other on the edge there. I want to make this as a writing space on this side. So what I did, I had some coffee dyed school big paper, and I'm just going to glue this here so that could be a writing space. Okay, so here's my little writing space. Here's my flip on this side. Flip it over, you can write. So this is my project for today, working in my little journal, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.